Hello guys. So this is the trade we are currently in. As we can see, it's live. I'm going to explain some of the trades I took today. Though this was a loss, but right now we are in this one. Yeah. Yeah, so basically on this trade, we're on the 1 minute. I entered off of this 1 minute bullish order block and I'm targeting. I may not reach as far as here, so long as price reaches here. I'm getting out of this trade because we can see we have these relatively equal highs at this point here, as you can see. So that is my short-term target, and if I can share with you my screen of the entry on my MetaTrader to show you that this is real. I'm not bluffing. There is no bluffing here. Let me share. Sorry. Let's see. Sorry about that. Let me share my start sharing. Let me share the entire screen. So, this is the chart, and then this is my MetaTrader. Yeah, as you can see, the position is live, and at this point, I'm going to move my position to break even, since this account I trade considers trailing stop loss things, and on this trade I was risking $10 because I've been today haven't made some good. Yeah, so it's at break even by DeFi, meaning if it comes back from my break even point here, I would have made a loss of 20 USD. That's basically what trailing stop losses are. But then, yeah. And the target, let's see, M15. Yeah, that's the target right there. Though I don't think price may reach there. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Yay. So you can see we have these consecutive down close candles make this a propulsion block. So if it's not respected and price goes back down, then that's also okay because the position is already at break even. And just so hold and see what happens. And then for these other indices, the Nasdaq and US100 and S&P 500, you can see that in the 5 minutes, we had this SMT, as you can see here. That was another confluence for me to enter this trade here. As you can see, so it's empty, and let me take copy image. Yeah. So yeah, in the 1 minute, see what happens. Yeah, so I think it has already hit my break even at this point here. Oh, 98. 98. 98. Oh, I placed the buy on Nasdaq. Sorry, I thought it was US30. Let's see, US100. No, it's actually here. Okay. So the buy is on Nasdaq, sorry, not US30. I've just seen my positions. Yes. Let's see. You have an order block right there. So if price disrespects it and it goes down, then probably it's going to continue going down. And then see on the 5 minutes. I see my target. My target is, hold on, I don't have take profit level. Oh, it's up there. Yeah, so it's on the 15 minutes. Let me see what is happening on H4. Yeah, so 1 minute. Yeah, so this is the order block I've outlined and shading view. As you can see here, then this is the SMT divergency between all the three indices. Yeah, that's what we have right there. And then the 15-minute. Yeah, so my target and NQ is around here, because now these are equal highs, so there is buy side liquidity at that point right there. As you can see, we have these areas or what, so basically the position is, it was from this side down, from this order block here. So this is the position from here. Stop loss around this point here, as you can see, but then I trailed it. So, but the original position was this, and then the relatively equal highs. So that is the position. This is a propulsion block in the 1 minute. PB4 propulsion block. So it's basically an order block on top of another order block, but it never surpassed like the main threshold of this order block that is supporting it. Yeah, and then this is the 1 minute order block I entered for. Put 3. The block here. Yes, so this is what we have. Sorry about the misconception. The actual setup is on NASDAQ, not US30. I thought I had placed it on US30, but it's NASDAQ. As you can see here, US100. Yeah, so that's the whole setup. Sorry. So let's see what happens. And if we were to demarcate the time, we had, this is the lunch macro from 11:30 to 1:30. Then this is the PM New York PM session. And then this is the, all these concepts are ICT concepts. Lunch macro. And I learned most of these things from the 2024 ICT mentorship and some parts of 2023 mentorship, but mostly 2024, because that's when I started taking this think seriously. And let's see, 9:30 is the equity opening. Then at 10 we had some news, the Jolts opening something, I think. 9:30. Equity opening. Equity open. So there is normally a lot of volatility around that time at 9:30 that's when the stock market opens, and my time is in New York UTC -4 New York time, as you can see. So we have this is, I already said, this is an SMT between all the three indices. So basically, for those who may not be familiar with SMT or correlation, normally all these three indices move in the same direction. So meaning they are positively correlated, meaning if one is moving down, then they are all supposed to be going down. Then if one is moving up, then they are all supposed to move up. But then at some point, we may see breaking correlation. So normally that breaking correlation can mean like there is going to be a short-term reversal and it must happen like at a key point, or maybe a point of interest like a PDRA, maybe an area of liquidity, maybe after we have swept buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, something of a sort. That's when they are best used. And for my case here, it would be